Google Reviews, 5 steps to skyrocket your business growth with reviews. People are turning to online reviews now more than any other time in history. If you're a small business owner with room to grow your business and you're ignoring Google Reviews, you might as well take out all the money in your wallet and set it on fire. Yes, online reviews really are that important. And yes, we are going to show you exactly how to use them to grow your business. Here is what you can expect to learn from this article. How to get more Google reviews. How to leave a Google review. How to remove a review from Google. How to use Weave to get more reviews. Step 1. Ask your customers for a favor. If your customers have had a good experience with your business, they're usually more than happy to pay it back through a positive review. Framing your request as a favor lessens your customers' feeling of obligation. Interestingly enough, this makes them more likely to comply with your request. Asking for a favor not only shows that you have trust in your customers, but it also allows them the opportunity to provide support for you and your business. When asked in the right way, most happy customers would be happy to leave a good review. Step 2. Give them a reason to write a review. Giving a reason for your request increases the chances that your customers will oblige by up to 33%. Studies performed by a Harvard professor in 1978 revealed the power of the word because. The conclusion of the study is that giving someone a reason that you're asking for something will increase your success rate, no matter the reason. When you're asking for a review, be sure to include a reason. Because we would love to hear your thoughts, or because we care about what you think of our business may just be a few extra words, but it can go a long way to improving your response rate. Step 3. Thank them for being willing to leave a review. When it comes to customer service, gratitude is always a good idea. In a cold email response study, response rates increased dramatically when gratitude was expressed in advance. Step 4. Have a script and a process. Now, let's see how these tips altogether work to increase your review generation rate. You're welcome to copy this script or tweak it to fit your business's unique needs. Hey, customer name. Thanks for coming in today. I was wondering if you could do me a favor. Customer responds affirmatively. Would you mind writing a review of your experience? Because it really helps other customers make the decision to come here. Customer responds affirmatively. Thanks. We really appreciate you being willing to do that. In a few moments, you'll get a review request from our office. You can just follow the link that we send you. It makes it really simple. A happy customer is likely to reciprocate the positivity if you ask. By making the process simple and introducing a little bit of psychology into the equation, you're well on your way to acquiring a bank of positive reviews. Step 5. Find a review software that automates the process. In an ideal world, everyone would have automated review software like Weave. Review software allows you to request a review from the customer immediately after they've interacted with you. They get the request at the time when they're most likely to leave you feedback. Usually, the request includes a link that they can click on. They will be sent to Google, where they can leave feedback in just a few minutes. Make Google reviews easy for your customers. No matter how amazing your customer experience is, making the feedback process easier will always increase your success. Make your process for leaving Google reviews as simple as possible. Ask your customers for reviews. Did you know that while 71% of consumers would actually leave feedback if a business just asked, a whopping 30% of consumers have never been asked at all? Even casual requests can be effective and are certainly much better than not asking at all. How to leave a review on Google. Let's start at the ground level. There are 2 different ways you can leave Google reviews, through a browser or through the Google Maps app. The process is different for each, and yes, your customer will need a Google account to do it. Write a Google review from your browser. 1. Log into your Google account and search for the business you want to review. 2. Find the reviews area, next to the star rating in your search results or under the establishment's name in the sidebar in Google Search, and click on the blue font that says Write a Review. 3. Rate the business from 1 to 5 stars. The greater number indicates a more positive experience. Write about your experience and click Post when you're done. Write a review from the Google Maps app. 1. In the Google Maps app on your phone, search for the business that you want to review. 2. Maps will return a result with a map that includes a banner at the bottom about the business. Click that banner. 3. Scroll down in the window that pops up until you get to the Reviews section. You'll see 5 stars unpopulated with your profile picture above them. Click on the number of stars you would like to leave for the business and proceed to write about your experience. 4. Click Post to leave a review. Writing a review is a simple process, even for your older customers. This process is even simpler when you use automated software. How to delete a Google review. If you are a business owner, you've probably seen a negative review come across for your business at least once. The review could be the result of a misunderstanding with a customer or even someone on your team dropping the ball, in which case you should try to rectify the situation immediately. Unfortunately, there is another common source of negative fake reviews that you can't do anything to rectify. Those negative reviews come from your competitors who are trying to tarnish your reputation. In an effort to do this, some competitors post negative reviews about your business. In these scenarios, you'll need a strategy for deleting Google reviews. Before we get too far into this process, you should know that this is not always guaranteed to work. However, it has worked on a number of occasions, so it's often worth going through the process. Step 1. Locate the review on Google. Locate the review you're trying to remove. You can do that by searching for your business name in Google and clicking on the total number of reviews. Step 2. Flag the review. Locate the review that was left by your competitor and click the flag. To get the flag to show up, you will need to be hovering over the review. 3. Select your reason for flagging the review. When you click the flag, you will see these options. Click the circle that indicates that the post is a conflict of interest. Take a screenshot of your form filled out and save the screenshot with the date. Step 4. Navigate to the Spam and Policy Forum. After a week or so has gone by, check whether the review was removed. If it hasn't been, click here to go to the Google My Business community. You will see a page that looks like this. Click Spam and Policy and you will be taken to a page that looks like this. Step 5. Submit your case. Click the plus in the lower right-hand corner to start your post in the forum. You need to be as persuasive as possible about the fact that this review was not from a real customer. Explain how you know that it is a competitor. Attach the image showing that you flagged the review first, then submit your post. The more descriptive you are and the more detail you have to back up your position, the more likely you will be successful in getting the negative review deleted. This forum is typically very quick to respond, so you should know within the day whether your report will be escalated. Using Weave to get more Google My Business reviews. Interestingly, but not surprisingly, a well-established Weave dental office in Oklahoma City was able to increase their new patient flow by 324% from May of 2017 to now. Now, this office was seeing around 17 new patients a month consistently for several years, and with less than 10 online reviews at the time saw a plateau in their active patient base. Then, they signed up for Weave and activated auto text reviews. They are now seeing 76 new patients a month and have over 200 online reviews. Rika Markle of Westside Family Dental Group says, Weave has made all the difference in our dental practices. Easy to use for recalls, confirmations, etc. But most importantly, the review feature helped us to get on the first page of Google. Now is the time to get more reviews. Schedule a demo to learn how. Frequently asked questions. How do you leave a review on Google? First, log into your Google account. Search on Google for the business you want to review. Click on the number of reviews that shows in blue text. Click Write a Review in the top right-hand corner. Can you write a Google review without having an account? No. While this was a possibility in earlier days of Google reviews, you can no longer leave a Google review without having an account. How do I leave a Google review anonymously? There is no longer a way to write reviews anonymously on Google. Google will automatically connect your review to your Google account. How do I see my Google reviews? To see your Google reviews, you can either log into your Google My Business and manage reviews from inside your dashboard, or you can search for your business and click on the number of reviews linked in blue and see your reviews from there. How long do Google reviews stay posted? Google reviews will stay posted indefinitely unless the writer of the review decides to delete the review. To learn more helpful tips on how to improve your business, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when we release new videos. Let us know what else you want to hear about by commenting down below.